social media. Now me money
Hello.
No, if you gonna do what, so they will cut you, Jonah.
I want make sure you humiliate. Mama Rita.
Oh, Imalake now.
Mama Rita.
Stop it already.
Me ave ya guye kwani ebe stop la go mama la.
Ose. It's okay. Let me tell you, let's assume. You people have come logo me tave matu wa
yeah.
I don't me where one else you wa one all you wa odori agito to do yana laze matu wa me
Mama want to get we boss. Mama, if you see me,
slap.
Yeah, say mama.
It's okay. It's okay. We want when my na na kime kibibe ya do see when you are for what?
You don't feed him, yeah.
Yeah, do see when you are rude. Why Monica ya see when you are rude because
why you Monica we acting fake. I dare you.
Mama la mama
no matter what. A matter what, I don't like what you are doing. Is annoying, is anemic, is.
I try to avoid it. Bring me up. Let me tell you, this this message was not for you.
If your mama, can I let me tell you.
You know, say bring me up. You know, it's not.
Wait now. What we done my way. My baby, go let matter. Bet it will remain the fact.
Yes.
My baby, wale lo makia ken wa woman lele here. My baby, Monica ni one character. Ya Adam yo me o ma lele here o lake o money. Mama, but I know. Listen. Let me finish. If you allow me to finish this message, you pick points from it. My baby Monica man like a punky. You feel way to a punky to start with. And secondly, my video Monica. Let me tell you the fact. My baby no why waku here. There are some things no question with me. Then I make sure no matter no to be realistic. But you don't like this thing. No, because you're already in part of her. Oh, you are part of her. So anything no offend that you will not do it. She see it like an arrival. She don't like it. Take it or leave it, remain the fact. I listen to your message.
We have a dog web only
Mama, let me finish. The who video for we have a dog web. If you were not referring to her, why will you use such?
No, Mama, I wasn't referring to her. We have a so, but when you answer, what you answer? It's not kind of anything, Mama.
Mama, okay, let us do. Okay, let us do when logo when okay, let us do logo. Okay, let us do when logo when you wasn't talking to her. Okay, henceforth, can I advise you? You are a minister of God. You have the right. Listen, because good way to Yariati, but I mean, when we came,
Mama, she was playing my voice already.
As because
she's trying to
let me tell you, why was I gonna wear my J? It might even to reason. You understand? Mama, your body calm down, calm it down. Yeah, where Megwa when no one know when they know the vanity where ya mama like that's you see me, I stay away. It doesn't really matter me or no Mario Ja. Everybody have take his part of the little of iceberg. Mayala,
this one, our woman, I ain't send me, Anna.
Listen, nobody
stop you. I'm going to do my own for a very long time.
Nobody stop you to do not to do your own. Nobody stop you. I'm going to do my own
for a very long time.
Mama, nobody stop you. Nobody stop you not to do your own. Okay?
Me I don't go me de Jimmy. If you me de do go.
Because
where be who are you to TikTok ya this stop baby me wa. My love, hold on.
Yeah, they can't tell her the suffering of my husband. Yes, she don't already talk her now. Not be that available 5 minutes video when I do that. Pastor. She don't already talk her. I pray her for her. Everybody know I talk her every day for social media.
Pastor, you listen now. Pastor, you know they listen.
Mama, when you me
Georgia ni me Facebook.
Listen.
Mama, not talk like
that. I don't want
that.
When I wear you was Saga, anything don't cost and you remove yourself from
you go listen to me.
Minister.
Now we dey inside before
you don't be anybody.
If you make I talk to
you
come into a preaching in where wow is okay. Understand? It's okay.
Problem,
where worry almost me worry no
Mommy Paika, we are settled, Mommy Paika. We are settled. We are settled, Mama. We give me
because they preaching no preaching. Oh, when I mean they talk to me, they talk to.
It's okay.
Mama, I wasn't talking to her. I was talking to my viewers.
Continue your preaching. Don't let anybody shut you down. Continue your preaching.
Follow up.
Continue your preaching.
Question. That's not question. A lot of people might take care of Yoki Wamo Yemeni. Or be voice or swan pay never be yafu. A ina call or my pick in a leave a voice not in mobile, me walk along. You get the walk or less on my go in my work close. You call or you make a call. In a leave a message. In a roy, not a roy, or my reply. On a la live video, on a robier, on a send des messages, on a attiré mes blasphèmes, oui, mais ta, il a me, il m'était ridé, et behavior, et fake Christian, il y a pas no matter, il a send des rena, when I move, when I mean, I'm not talon, I'm not that kind of person. You people, you misjudge me, you don't even know me. I'm not the kind of preacher that don't practice what they preach. When he water. Ina we ni hae we ma be zejo ina we gbe gbegi ina je ki gbe voice note go my care your back here ina ewe ina we gbe gbon we gie ina yin ina your borara igbe the voice note o when I yawe o ma na love ina pa o ma reply tin few days ago me maybe o ma reply me ma me wo ma ige since few days ago sometime we cannot bear ni ina wa mi na mi yeki eyin yana wa ari eri man you know normally you already na go o me wa mi because since then a fellow yana wa attacking me when I me attacking yana attacking me yana atie me two face fake okpeni yaketi me o but ogo ni ona wa do da me iwaji wina son ni na wa wina so be jere wa me stress if you win na ma vie egbe na wa wo me na wa de stress iwa ruwe train iwa la live video na wa mi na wa we la mi akpene na ate me two face fake this and that ona wa ina wa vie na wa vie ina wa ri win boss o ma no we video ni ina we ina akpe wa ya mi o ina vie gbe won oni na iwe do feel bad oni na iwe yin te we ni ya ri bude me ma go sono me ni la oni egu na iwe we no yi wa je na I think I should go na iwe akokpa kege ni ade iwaje re o wa igbe so ya ri yeki odo ye ni ado tempt ni do gben yo erun da o I have nothing I swear with my blood let me die young if I have anything against that woman If I a view you one year or I do those time when you got the
that's your board. You just say what you are saying. Forget all this word, please.
So, I go back off all this time. Even when I'm looking at her video, she's funny. Yeah, the way all the tempting me, because I didn't want all these Facebook people to be seeing my comments so that they will
I be careful. I go use a fake account. How ya shago now we you to take a shoe but
Ni ado attack.
Oh go bijou where you account where you do na na
One go beg Bonica that just I can beg her.
We are. Ooh.
Even if she not believe, even if she feel that, hey, you are taking it because I understand.
Nobody can come in between them.
I already know that she has gone.
So yeah, shago. Do I fake account comment you are bell?
If I have to beg her, we beg. But I am not going to beg her. I am going to stay on my own just as I have been. Anyway,
stay on your own. It's not a problem. It's not an issue. But you should don't fight her publicly. Even if you are staying on your own, it's okay. Nobody is disputing that.
But she's something publicly now.
If you stop, she will stop. If you stop now, see, I we can also settle this now. Before going to the other side, it's better.
When people love you,
forget it.
When people love you, when people love you, they will stand by you and fight for you. So, maybe the message you were bringing out, you know, and understand it. So they feel where we're not sick, understand it.
Mama,
my son, I have a video.
Mama,
on it now.
Mama, of course, you get done. Mama, you appreciate a wickedness. You get good one. You appreciate you get good one. You get so maybe
explain the video you took. Maybe something went wrong there.
Okay, it's okay. Let us you did not took anything. Let us you did not say anything. It's okay. Maybe you're going to be analyzed there. No matter go where with her. It's okay. Now you're on your own according to you. Mama, but where no doki Saga go this is what I'm avoiding. Stop it. When I don't need to avoid those who are Saga don't only me man go.
Only have no do I feel you when I want to cashew, you and I yoga bobo.
Where that's if you don't send you money for who send me money for my newborn kids? Who send me money?
I saw we are studying.
Honest. You where you are.
Okay, here will be winning on. I said, your what why would you be a bomogone? I
see me for TikTok. All of you they run, they come. All of you they run, they come. I don't know Saga. Can you people not leave me alone?
I'm a fake account. Yeah, I'm a account. If you want to go account of fake, you know. Follow. We je baby on. Well, why you Saga?
That means it has been long. Then Jay is okay. Can't you listen?
No, whatever my
you listen.
Mama, mata le mi rock mama, mata le me we mama. Mata le mi rock mama.
Me man like how do I make bomb the people will be looking at you. Now video ni yaki. Emma, on the
Why not the page in the Facebook? You share any video here, mama. Imagine video a video lolo 10 minutes lolo ta. Ona wa gini ni time ni water for days now.
Mama, we are talking in a lot of time here. Even the way you are going, a lot of bullying of it.
No, we might bully lolo. Why lolo? We are good here. Lolo kia ni.
Already why we lolo we can ya
Mama.
Lolo okay ye. Ya tell me. We tani we na ya bully over here. We might lolo kia ke wa bully over here.
Yes. Mama, I don't want all this kind of thing. They are bullying themselves, and I don't want to get
but Lolo is the mastermind.
I don't want to get involved. You from today on, I have this. I will talk when it as far women insult anybody. Nobody should tag themselves. A video.
because God will judge all of you. Use the precaution. Then money come out
speak to I direct. You people who are evil, wickedness who are
nobody was the one supporting you since. Mama was support any agbina. Why worry?
Because I have never.
Why are begging Saga here? I want to balak you. Why boy you're the Saga
is set there.
Why see as you
go? Here do a blog. Only say.
I will run for you. When I learn here, I learn no one. When I see Kenya, I will run for you people with all my strength, with all my might. But I will.
Why you my mom like America?
Okay, but if you have yogi time about you even on here, you give me a comment section where you can't see
Mama, not insult somebody for here down. Not nice.
If you all back at what the Uber, he is burning
the secret here, hey, my DJ was a beggar.
The secret here.
My DJ.
But why was secret here, Mama?
Bishop man now, mother. Both home and abroad. The secret is only here.
Mama, why will I forget?
What did I do? What did I do? What's so new? Now a video. I did not message anybody. I was speaking to my audience. I also have audience. I have people that agree with my messages. I was preaching to my people not to try not to let pressure. not to let pressure push them to what they don't want to do. If anybody should get angry on that video, should have been Lord, what go my video I preach. I not measure Monica. That video did not relate to Monica in any way, but because it was Lolo, people were telling her to stop. And give Monica ya lewe. O kwa ba ni be wa gba se na. E Monica wa believe we may right in me aya na say o.
What ye ata e wana ama wo to fi pegi e. O we be nu ja gun ayele. We no bully no. O we no when I get no bully no matter I say.
You matter I say your time ben ya bi me ha me ye be no ya talk wa o. Eri me time ye be no ya talk Imata said the sense that Imaro, Imata me loleka, 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 Facebook in what bully what you saw is what you are reaping. That is not my mission. That's not my mission. I didn't do my message for Saga.
Iman wa ni binana gbina no gbera vi na
it's my opinion. I have the right.
Oh, me right on money.
I'm gonna stand on my ground. Nobody should come here and tell me that. This is what I say. What? Where only message in the Monica will be running no guinea. You know how many people they come here, was it them a message in ye turning when not business say on it. Where you met. You were on a game.
It's okay. Okay now,
Mama, I don't have right to do any message. A matter like what are Facebook on a guinea Monica and ye while say one moment you were bro. Come here. One we go your what on you what feed him ever.
Thank you so much. You are fine. Minister Mary J. Gani, I even want you to na watch night. Ibe vie sokaja no if not we are honest you kwaje. Ah, be wa so go na we go don wen ya bai. Ah, ya ige mo o iguji agbina be dia ma agbina.
Monica wa mi no ye nu obo mi sadin.
Agboma can live the time of the year.
Monica ni be wa pase na opore ni meje. I might share with the Facebook if a secret that you don't make be me fafa ma we. You come the wood adu ya pa mi sika.
Wa jere genu wa we yaku. You bet jere genu wa we ka yaku is okay.
Eh o meje right now mejere. I ma oni
jere. Ija weti de yon we jire ke go be kaya ku
mama obe mo gbeso and why yes she have had issue with a lot of people. Me I was thinking what me alugan because imam egbe me fu photo ve kenonje eni are not talo we ani ke ra u lele yeri yeke imam any of those things. Mama, if you know now you be my mama, we my guan, we know each other.
Yeah.
Because of that, now you stay away from me.
Ah, it's okay, man.
Because of that, you said who want the time and where my DJ. It tell what lucky when you want a lucky there, but a friendship or him not keep because a Monica who love. Uma first
oh, it's okay.
He like platform he where.
I know it's okay.
So what topic in on here? You tell me to start your boy. We are very your bond. You do attacking. They say where I cook babare.
It's all right.
First time you post where a page there. No not be a tell you. In a way, I celebrate our mona.
West is okay.
I cannot choose friend because I am friend with Monica. Because I don't want to offend her. But at least when you reach way.
It's okay. Yeah, go. I will love us. I will go. Don't know where.
Mama, oh, I like it. Only ban in Arobi and then oh, power attacking eh. Oh, one a Christian troublemaker no blah blah. Troublemaker who that him was your boy on now. Who that him when why am from photo? Who that it to the lu why ya to le me? Who that we queer? I'm not that kind of Christian. Bible I just study. But when you reach that part, you are not going when they slap you for one side, give them the other side. I'll say the rat of this verse, you lie. He moved the other side, you know.
My wine, the friendship in the Nadia is okay. Just stay on your own, stay away from anything that have to do with her.
Mama, what on her?
Mama, what ah? What
say your wood?
One of you at where wash get me.
I beg it. Okay, who say you want to fake
Mommy
fresh?
could say is okay.
It ain't fake. Is it wrong to love you? Is it wrong to love you? Did he love you? Did he like you? Does that mean they lift your nya? What did they your nya? And you know, running see me. We are meeting sikoi. Hi! Oh, you make me talk with chai. Chai! I'm so ashamed of myself.
Mommy,
I'm sure my face. Because I love you genuinely. I love this woman in this very moment. And right now, I see the talk like
I don't want to love you. I don't
want to love her. She should leave me alone. She should leave me alone.
Olive when we
Mama say me okuku say you won we had do me ya when you do ya if you man you we full.
It's okay. Saga like well not in the Saga near Saga.
We had do come here ya do pe voice note no ka ka
ni mele wana go ni Monica akwe adogwen to wana ya be you never van because when wash that me he bet is okay laoje when me aka yin
I be talking and want to gbo e.
if you go sleep if you sleep here lilia ugwa lo enwe go nwe to gbo so na wa see me
Bon teach phone want to gbo e. Agagele me that I be talking and want to gbo when Monica to gbo e. You people, you are evil. I have never poked her. I love that woman with all my heart. I do not have
she say you need to go home.
I don't have anything to pretend. I have never poked her. People are evil.
Get what you
now
want.
That you have said it, I'll be poking about I like me.
Being fake.
Now that I'll be poking about I like me. If I know what I feel me, why feel me? Won't talk boa. Why make me na nenia? Why make me na nenia? Why ya? Why ya de? Why more kin? Why ya de? Makin? Why ya lumone? Don't be fat to now one.
Mama, yeah, I can't see no fire. The mommy,
mama, money can't book. Who say you won't do? Mama,
since my son to cousin was boy, I don't wear one car later.
Look here.
I have children now. Mommy bandage. The reason why I need do when we explain my name because maybe Jackie will do even when no zobo no the live video show. When your power gbona ki tell me papa or every time I have video we ginye iyan we onyon gugun e laugh na mota iyan we e ko mai me every time when I wa mudia o mai me queria then e ma fi oge gue eri ma be fi we ginye. So a point in the only time you tell me but whether you tell me now what because he gave must to gear which nobody cares because I make it Mama Mudia, all the time mommy Vieri, yoga got settled there, and I will not care because you may what it down. You understand? But I my way you go as far away you why are you there? Every job woman do there. Yeah, what's going on there? What's going on there? So now we'll go in your like climb platform. Because he may driving now, he phone knock on me connect a Bluetooth or say when you na call because he the phone you ho la wo mama. Because I know that both of you are close, even the time of many things where I don't want to talk for you really stand as a true friend, which I also told that just me calling him back because he said boy ball when he type and now when he work call so then me better me eba when you the live video yo where we try to command the well try no do well no make it now ya relax because if not say any time the more we damn in the entire damn we if I close the talk here now and no agazo no one so before this thing can escalate you hear na get is settle wo mama Igwe waje wa imi
Mama,
awe.
not
Ima
that
onu
anything
wa
against
request.
Yaki. When you
I
Yaki
know
just
you don't.
disrespect me, my life
They were
again.
see we very boy your sin
You are
where
mama
women are in the
now.
night. So
At
I
my age.
know, mama.
So,
Oh.
a fake account
See,
you money.
the first time you platform, although we comment here video where we more love and
A
like
fake
you
account
river.
you
So
have
now,
Yaki where
mama,
me boy direct. Yaki or ye boy.
Sani agwe ya
I
nyere
don't
ime
beg.
na
I
dog
got
you.
Lily Amma, not Lily Amma, not insult me. Oh, you say go beg or Vasabi. That means you deaf when I did there since. I call you here. I only answer for course since. Ugbel, another other way of Vasabi Ogbijuwe. Everybody area wana.
Mama. They say Yaki say me I go Nigeria, me I go do his song, go be a clever.
Mama, see, may I tell you something? They will talk and I
We
will joke.
Yaki want
Now
get
every
on me
joke.
right.
Mama,
You will go.
Daniel.
You will
Daniel, a joke or ya Daniel, we
I
shall
know.
go.
Mama, I know.
Mama,
A
no,
joke
not
in
like Daniel, the
Mereje
time
now,
they
a joke
work.
in
Baby,
Mereje.
me, atama me, Bob, I believe me.
Eri
Ika
me
wa
me
me,
wa
what
me
the
me
back.
wa me go te cho
So,
salon man yenya
he wa gbe ogbe or finish he wefo. But
Yaki. How ma ni yaki wa
2015,
sanga egbe na.
2015, may issue boy because if no ya me we ma miwe. So I was just like it's a pure waste. But he got cannot see when boy you were like it because you have a boga no you are a boku say your but even bokpa like me now. What am I trying to say? Iyeki was saying that out of the town gear. I'm not getting serious in tell me here gear niya. She's because me saga no one saga gear. When Iyeki ageli awe saga yen smile me calling you by my phone. So for her to even carry phone your gear or kuse okpeva or gear. So I don't even think that is even saga. It's just kind of a
Isago me ni Yaki okin awa dele mi na ya we.
So there were
Yaki o dele mi na ya we sango ni. Ni sango mi ke na de mo bo be kun ni me ke na mi no sango.
Kakabo makes do my work, but why I
Isago
work,
ni
but
mo
me I make
we
it say we are. My way, no problem. You are donate here
Oh,
because
Yaki, e we ask you Yaki be.
It's
my
okay.
DJ again. There here we sango. Uko ade 200,000. You say now where I make 800,000 because we have value
For
one grand.
beer,
Okay, to descend
2
or wrong.
million, you
Okay.
go.
You got
So
it.
now I donate to you. Yes,
How
so
connect to your
again, me na kwa kwisa go 98 something. Me sure why say 50,000. So ma wa donate no why aware. Who wa work gbegba. Okay, the way minister for la wo la.
Yaki, but Yaki, oh, Yaki. I will walk by the you put my husband they talk.
We might cover men and
My
Saga
cover
for my
man and Isago go yaku.
mari mojana. Ave
Isago
no
go yaku.
record. Ave no still record. Ekwe mu wane o.
Yaki, oh,
Oh yeah, David Jojo.
Meka tell you yeki obono. Yeki oboye kiki. Yeki
David
oboye
Jojo
kiki.
ko.
Yeki ba ga na we yeki born na confirm ene. So now